This is a video demonstration of Holden Special Vehicle Special Commemorative Accessory number 3059, the REV Alarm Clock Radio System. This particular merchandise was released in 2008 to commemorate the 20th anniversary of Holden Special Vehicles in Australia. The Holden Special Vehicle is a special high-performance vehicle division of Holden, that is General Motors in Australia. Holden Special Vehicles is very similar to AMG for Mercedes and the M cars for BMW. 2008 was a very special moment for Holden Special Vehicle because the company first released its #1 model in 1988, which is the VL Group A SS. The company's 20th history has been of absolute sales success, and 20 years on, the company has decided that it is a good idea to celebrate its achievement in Australia. This particular clock radio has a programmed station radio capability with a backlit display, and of course it has auto scan, an alarm clock with a snooze button, and the radio itself can either be run on battery power or on AC mains. The transformer is just next to it here in the white box. The facing of the radio is in the form of a tachometer with a movable needle and switch gear, which is very similar to some of the gears being used on the actual HSV cars. The special feature of this particular alarm clock is the alarm function. When activated, will sound like one of the Holden Special Vehicles 6-litre V8, and it will rev on idle and then accelerates very hard in the first 3 gears. So less the talking. Now let me demonstrate to you by pressing the start button here and see what happens. Here we go. The sound that you hear is not edited, it's directly from the clock radio as it left the factory. And then it fades away as it leaves you. How's that for a magnificent piece of collectible? Even though you're not a Holden enthusiast, to be able to have one of these in your display is a lifetime of pleasure, which is of course a very special commemorative particular piece in itself. Let me just do it again for you, just for those who missed the first demonstration. Rev hard in the red line and then accelerates hard in the first 3 gears. Here we go. No compromising, just like the real cars themselves. The REV Alarm Clock Radio from Holden Special Vehicles to commemorate the 20th anniversary of the company in Australia. Thank you.